Hello everyone, my name is Goran, and as a part of my game development journey, I will be doing these super simple tutorials for busy people. As a new dad learning game development, I've created a little mobile game that my 1-year-old loves. It's called Monster Walk, and it just contains a few creatures walking on the screen when you swipe left and right, and do a little movement when you swipe up and down. In this first series, I'll do a tutorial on how to make this game. I'll share the codes and I'll talk generally about Unity. We will cover the basics, like what is Unity and what it looks like. What's the general lingo, what are game objects, transforms, prefabs. Then we'll learn how to get characters, environments and animations, how to move a character and animate it, and finally how to write scripts and codes. I understand that in our schedules we're very busy with family, hobbies, work, and I know it's difficult to find time to learn a new skill. But if you're interested and you can find 10-15 minutes at free time per week, I will be keeping these tutorials short, to the point, and I will only use free assets so that everyone can follow. Feel free to subscribe and comment, and I will do my best to respond and help with any programming questions you might have. Till next week, thank you for watching and keep going!